Kenya, a tapestry of diverse landscapes and vibrant cultures, unfurls itself before the world with an abundance of experiences. Uncover the top 10 sights and sounds that make this East African gem a must-visit destination. First up, immerse in the natural wonders. The majestic Mount Kenya stands tall, its snow-capped peaks kissing the sky. Listen to the wind, whispering tales of ancient legends and the mountain's silent challenge to those daring enough to conquer its heights. Next, dive into the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean at Diani Beach. Feel the rhythm of the waves, their soothing sounds a lullaby for the weary soul. Marvel at the white, sandy beaches, an unending canvas of tranquility. Then, journey to the heart of the Great Rift Valley. Lake Nakuru waits with open arms, its calm surface a mirror reflecting the sky. A symphony of chirping birds fills the air, a serenade from the lake's famous flamingos. Now, shift gears to cultural marvels. In the bustling streets of Nairobi, find the pulse of Kenya. The city's energetic rhythm, its cacophony of sounds, from hooting cars to hawking vendors, is a testament to the vibrant life that thrives within. A visit to the Maasai Mara village offers a peek into the rich tapestry of Kenya's heritage. The rhythmic chants and songs of the Maasai people, their colorful attire and age-old traditions, weave a captivating tale of Kenya's cultural richness. Transition into the realm of history. At the ruins of Getty, the ancient city whispers stories of a bygone era, the silence punctuated by the occasional rustling leaves. Each stone, each arch, holds a piece of the puzzle, a chapter in Kenya's historical narrative. Now venture into the wild. The Maasai Mara National Reserve offers a front-row seat to nature's grand spectacle. The roar of lions, the thunderous stampede of wildebeests, and the silent stalk of cheetahs all come together in a breathtaking symphony of life. At Hell's Gate National Park, experience the raw power of nature. The hissing steam vents, the grumbling earth, and the echoing cries of wildlife offer a stark contrast to the serene landscapes. In the Amboseli National Park, the trumpeting elephants march across the plains, their silhouettes against the backdrop of Mount Kilimanjaro, creating a mesmerizing tableau. Lastly, let the Lamu Island enchant you with its timeless charm. The sound of gently lapping waves, the call to prayer from the mosques, and the clopping of donkey hooves on cobblestone streets all contribute to the island's magical allure. Kenya, a world in itself, waits to share its secrets, its sights and sounds, its soul. So, why wait? Answer the call of Kenya, embark on the journey, and etch these experiences into your memory forever. Let Kenya's tapestry of experiences become a part of your own story. Make it a memorable experience by sharing with your friends and loved ones. Save the date. Cheers.